this on? Is it on? Yeah, we're on, right? Yeah. Okay. Oh, we're turning. Oh, we're gonna be fucking waiting for a second. God damn it. Whatever. Yeah, whatever. I fucking love doing dumb shit. It's so fun. I can't tell if you're being serious or fucking sarcastic back there. I got you. I have a limiter! I found the limiter! It's at 6,000! Good to know I have one at least, right? I didn't know I had a fucking limiter. I guess I know now at least, right? I was at 6,000. That's deep in the fucking red. Oh my god. What? Hell yeah. About a quarter behind you, I'm good. One of our people. Here, I'll get over this way. You win while doing that? Fuck yeah. I've only heard of such sorcery. One of those bumps. Hold on, I'm tall. I still see cars. Yep, more cars. What are you trying to do over there, huh? Are you trying to oh, we're good. Were you trying to kill switch me, you shithead? Oh, you fuck. Hold on, let me just watch my kill switch here since you're like aiming for it now. Hey, ah. I'm trying to figure out what you're doing. I was like, what's on that side? Uh-oh, Mustang, crowd killer. Coyote, I want it. I don't think he wants to do it, god damn it. When two motorcycles, GoPros roll up on you, but you're just trying to have a cruise. Oh, I gotta get over now. God damn it. I can't wait until it's so hot my balls sweat while I'm riding, because I can't fucking stand this goddamn cold. Same. I can handle sweat. You can wipe them off. Freezing, they just disappear on you. Meanwhile, that truck. Probably. Yeah, we own this.
That guy that Equinox looks unhappy. He saw me pull in. He's still sitting there. Oh man, these both suffer this riding. Just saying.
Oh, why? What, the fast or the cold?
Cold.
Oh, yeah, I feel that.
Great for the fast.
I feel that.
They breathe real well. Oh, my hands are like, they're getting numb from vibration because I haven't ridden this in so long.
Right? Dude, that's how I feel on these handlebars, because like I haven't rode in a long time and they're tall as shit with steel risers or steel bushings in them instead of like, you know,
I think
rubber.
they have rubber, but I don't know.
I don't know either.
I just know that this bike vibrates a lot, especially if I'm doing wheelies.
Right.
Because I'm sitting at like 30 RPMs at like 6, easy.
Mm-hmm.
Race car.
Race car.
This guy's sick and tired of me.
I see that. And the spot just opened up too.
And he's home.
Told you I'd bring it over.
Oh, I'm so happy.
22, 21.
22.